Are you looking for the best treadmill under $600? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmill under $600 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. R1 Foldable Treadmill. When slowly raise the handrail, it will be a jogging and running treadmill. After you fold the handrail up, it can be placed under a standing desk and used as a under-desk treadmill to walk and jog while you are working or watching to exercise your body, raise heart rate, boost metabolism. This 2-inch-1 treadmill arrives fully assembled and can be used right out of the box. Perfect for home, apartment and office use. The powerful 125 horsepower motor provides a large carrying capacity of up to 240 pounds. The sturdy treadmill allows you to run up to 6.2 miles per hour on the frame and walk up to 3.7 miles per hour under your desk. In walking mode, R1 Pro has 3 control options. In End mode, the speed may be modified through the remote control. In A mode, for walking mode only, the speed can be adjusted based on the position of the step. Additionally, the KS Fit app is an excellent alternative for mode selection and operation. Number 2. G1 Folding Treadmill. The walking pad G1 Double Fold Treadmill delivers the latest in fitness technology into the comfort of your own home. Experience innovative folding technology for the ultimate convenience. You can easily store, transport or adjust your walking pad treadmill no matter where you're training. With a high-quality 1.5 horsepower brushless DC motor, you're gaining access to efficient speed control, reaching a high speed of 12 km per hour. The commercial quality walking platform with superior materials results in extra durability, lightweight structure and ultimate comfort. The walking pad G1 offers a convenient and intuitive folding mechanism, great for those with small workout spaces, or who want to transport their treadmill around. Folding a full 180 degrees, the treadmill can be stored almost anywhere, and is easily unfolded for whenever you need it. This superior quality motor features a brushless design, which offers greater energy efficiency, a longer lifespan and quieter operation. Brushless DC motors require less maintenance than regular brush motors, creating additional convenience for all users. The walking pad MC21 walking platform boasts high-density fiberboard used to ensure its excellent quality. EVA cushioning layer provides extra comfort with low friction, while a walking belt is wear-resistant with anti-slip technology. Number 3. Redliro Walking Treadmill. For the elderly to use walking treadmill, the most important issue is safety. For this purpose, we have designed the following. Use the multi-grip handrails that sit along the top, middle, and end of the low-deck treadmill for extra support, to avoid falling due to an unstable center of gravity. In the event of an accidental fall, the safety key will immediately drop to disconnect the power supply. As we age, we want to maintain mobility as much as possible. But on the way to staying healthy, bad weather is always the best excuse for everyone not to exercise. Owning this walking machines for exercise, weather is no longer a reason. You can walk every day. In order to ensure that the workout does not damage the knee, a 6-layer thickened running belt and a super shock absorption system are used. Seniors, convalescents can clearly keep track of all their progress with backlit screens that measure distance walked, calories burned, heart rate, speed, and more. They can also easily operate our recovery exercise treadmill with simple buttons and no bells and whistles. If there are young people at home who are willing to use it, the home gym treadmill also has 12 preset modes to choose. Phone and water cup holder are also designed. Walk and jog between 0.5 miles per hour and 5.5 miles per hour by using the 2.25 peak horsepower motor on the indoor high weight capacity treadmill. Super powerful motor means quiet and more enjoyment of sports. Compared with other ordinary motorized treadmills, it is speed increment of 0.1 miles per hour for better adaptation, premium materials and stable construction. Supports up to 300 pounds. Number 4. Q2S 1000 watts household foldable mini treadmill. It's too easy to miss exercise sessions in today's hectic world, but Ovix treadmills for home give you the flexibility to work out whenever in the comfort of your home. Whether you're a runner, an athlete focused on another sport, or just someone looking to improve your fitness, the Q2S Plus running machine delivers with a large 0.5 running surface. And you won't be alone, thanks to Bluetooth that links with the FitShow app, where you'll find the support of a global fitness community. Get real-time heart rate data to make sure you're at the right workout intensity for you. Switch from full speed to a 4 km/h walk, and back again with a single tap of the interval icon on the 27.6 cm LED display. The Q2S Plus Fold Treadmill houses a motor rated to 3.0 horsepower and equipped with sonic shielding, so you can work out whenever without worrying you'll wake someone nearby. The Q2S Plus Smart Treadmill may seem small, but with an ultra-wide, nearly 43 cm running surface, users can let their feet fly just like they're running outdoors. Number 5. Foldable electrical treadmill. Contributing to the 15 years specializing in indoor and outdoor fitness equipment and massager products, we have designed and developed over 100 different kinds of items, including exercise bike, spinning bike, ab machine, foot massager, vibration plate, massage gun, treadmill yoga products and so on. Big customers are Walmart, Costco, Sports Tech, etc. Todo covers the innovative performance from scientific research in Todo professional designers' office and laboratories to the testing and refining fitness equipment before sale and use. We tap into our proven knowledge to bring the innovative and scientific fitness equipment. Todo has its own manufacturing factories, from raw materials to products for home fitness and massager. 15 years of OEM and ODM service experience, equipped with our own manufacturing plant for about 12 years, including metalworking, electronics, injections, assembly, etc.